Bankro. Pussy hole nasty man. Gun near mouth me twin tower crutches. Pussy hole your belly we full. Dog shit your belly we full. Dog shit. Jail rat, jail dog, your blood clot belly we full. Come at me pissing in your blood clot cokehead mouth then. Since you want me trace you and this you, come at me pissing in your blood clot cokehead mouth. Make me blood clot use your tile pad blood clot mouth as a cesspool. Make me pissing at that. Jail dog shit, jail germs, jail dog, jail rat, jail chink. Come blood clot kill me jail animal. Come blood clot cage up. Come, you and all of your blood clot suck with man friend them. The whole of you walk and praise blood clot man. I mean you want for afraid of you. Move on suck with blood clot and go from your so. You not ready to come kill girl over man. You no go kill you no fuck out think well mama. Don't size up on a stinking self with me. You no go suck out the jail rat. And if the jail rat blood clot this you gonna name him shit bucket and drink him piss, girl. Suck me out. And if you don't want blood clot, suck me out. You don't come using a blood clot tongue as a blood clot plunger in my hole, pussy hole. And come suck me. Come charm me. Come use me as a blood clot bubble gum. Yeah. Walking on the fucking yard, they're bright. Go back to act civilized. Got that right. That's right to do. Don't get up on your be of wild all the time. You know, do that. Hurt me. Kill your number. Blood clot, mother. Someone don't want poison. I want to see someone who better know someone who get that before me pussy. When nobody feel like me alone walk. You want to see me alone on a chair? Don't size up on a suck with self. Hear that? Okay. Don't forget to me suck with them. I suck no yes boy cocky. Know that? Okay. Every cocky will come in this a blood clot mouth, yeah. A cocky will make blood clot sense. Know that? Oh, me rise one of them cocky the phone. No. Don't play with me. Oh. Suck no mother, that my blood clot say. Cause when time you gal it out, I dash scratches and I dash throat pan boy. When they dash it pan boy, it makes sense. Cause suck no mother. Oh. Blood clot don't know. Crazy. Think to me that fuck no look a idiot boy. Eh? Oh, I'm too no drunk, bro. Sell a blood clot, fuck me just go fuck and suck some blood clot would and get rid of you. You don't know me. Oh, one cocky me suck off on dead, you know. Oh, one would me go boob off. Don't play with me. Cause me a girl dash hole for what me want. Don't play with me. Oh, me go skin out my hole and suck some blood clot. Cocky and get rid of no blood clot. Don't ramp with me. Oh. What's the hole? No, I'm not pussy hole when I feel dep on my life. Suck on the mama come out from my blood clot life. Cause oh, me not no blood clot friend, I no want none neither. Suck on the mama jaw fully and run up and down in our mama. Oh, and I'm blood clot all man butcher any blood clot thing you use yourself as. Me no want a friend, me no want a drunk up on my life. Everybody go suck on no mother. And me say that out of my blood clot mouth. Out of my suckwood mouth, me say it. You hear that? Me suck out and get rid of no. Know that blood clot. Hear that? Don't play with me. Oh. Want to some blood clot, you know. Where are some of Muff! And come out from a blood clot life, crew a bit. Drunk, come out from my life. Come out from a blood clot life, drunk spitting in your face. Bitch, come out from my life. Your blood clot think I want to eat at this. Pussy hole me and someone on a link on the go. Cause all on come over here to do a report live. On a report live crew. Suck on no mama and go. From me see you on my live, me have to lock off my comments them. Cause all you come on people page should do a report them page. Suck your mama and come off of my live. Drunk crow. You all I wanna know no bumper clot self. Me I wanna something. Me know from blood clot now, eh? Go ahead and come off from my bumper whole life, man. Wanna catch up with me now on a blood clot name every day. Me on the biggest blood clot topic. Like nothing else in a social media for talk about. Wanna stop drink my blood clot pad water and my bath water drunk crow. If me no shit on no blood clot name, as me open up my period hole, here goes full of stinking mouth underneath my pussy hole. Oh, una go kill. Una need to go kill no mama where we gonna blood clot come here. Una need to go kill no fuck out battery dolly community fuck girl mama. That one of